If you're jumping, you can't hold on to that. Huh? You'll be fine. You'll come up. You're proficient enough.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fam. Now, on this episode of Life with the Jam Fam, we're taking you on an adventure, and this time we turn our attention west. So yes, what we've decided, as we decided that we were going to split our holiday up into segments. So on this segment of it, today's journey that we're taking is taking us further west. And it's just going to this little quaint area of Jamaica that I've only recently visited as part of when I was working with the Black River Film Festival team. We visited there because we needed to go to a meeting, and so it was my first time going there. And when we were coming back to Jamaica, it's something that we said was going to be one of the things that we did within the first year of being here, and we were able to do that. So I'm pleased that we, our targets that we're setting, we're managing to hit them out of the waters. And so this is one of the places that we went. They took on the adventures that were available to them, and we're just going to show you some of those footage of the things that they did. We are there.
We need to
Is that the entry?
I thought it was, but I don't think it is now. The entrance, because this is fenced off, so I need to go around and find out.
We need to go down a bit more. Cool runnings. The sun is sunning, boy, so early. Maybe it's here.
Just need to pull over
and just park. We could find out. Guess where we are. Cool Runnings Adventure. Do you want to? Deep breathe. Happy feet.
I know.
Margarita. Gang. Where's Eliona? Where's Keisha? Kaleo. Hey. The sun is sunning. The sun is doing what it should do. So whilst I am up here on the shore, relaxing and bag watching, they are out there on that boat and they're getting on to be dragged around. So look at them. You can see them out there. That's them. And they're going to go on that boat and then be dragged along to have that experience. I was not quite prepared to do that. So they're getting connected on, and then they're in that seat, the inflatable seat, and off they go. And they are gone on their adventure. And Khalil is just down here in the water having his fun. And I'm here. Okay, so we are getting our life vests. And Khalil's swimming. He doesn't want to come. He's been monitored. Thank you. I really love that. And now I'm going to be on monitoring duty with these two here. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I stay ready. So I'm already ready. And Kenya is over there on she's actually hiding from the sun. She's just using that as her excuse because the sun is really hot. So now we're gonna go. Exciting but scary. Are you nervous? Oh, the water is so warm. So warm. It's got lots of space actually. Kalau could have come.
Is that where I'm going?
Yeah, mommy.
So I'm going in the middle.
You're gonna go on board, right?
I thought so. Ah! Keisha, hold. See here?
No, not you.
Okay.
So here.
Thank you, young man. How are you? You say good. My sister, you're good. You're brave too. You don't need to hold on, okay? Hold on. Hold on tight. Oh my God! Jamaica, yeah. Or you do smoothies as well?
Oh, yes.
Ganyan. Despacito. At the end, the horseback riding, and backing up from it as it coming up. Tide seems to be coming back in now. But there are my children. They were playing volleyball earlier, and now they decide that they're just going to be swimming around, and they made a friend. Hello, how are you?
I'm not too bad, thank you.
Whereabouts are you holidaying from?
Much love from Liverpool in the UK.
Oh, okay. See, I'm repping our
good.
colour.
The Liverpool and the Everton.
Yep. Yep.
Where are you from?
Well, we're from Milton Keynes.
Okay.
We are now moved back to Jamaica, but my sister is from London.
Move back here.
We're coming up to a year since we
I wish
moved
we
back.
could move. I wish we could move here.
But my sister lives in London. Yeah. Okay. Are you guys happy now?
No more fried chicken and chips.
Okay, so that's what we're going to have. So when we go to the next destination, they do that.
Okay.
Because here they do mainly burgers, so we'll do that there. Keisha, you don't want to leave? We need to go to our next stop.
You thought no,
Hi. Hello there, Jam Fam Tribe. This is part of our island tour. We're in the grill, and guess where we're at? Rick's Cafe. As Kamika said, you're
Oh, there's a ladybug. Look. Oh, it's gone now.
So we're going in to see what the rave is about,
See.
and we'll let you know what we think.
Okay. Khalil literally just wants his non-alcoholic cocktail. Hi.
Good and you?
Good. Yeah, so here we go. We'll keep you posted. You want to go where? Okay.
Yep, here we are, Rick's Cafe. Somebody wanted to go and dare to jump off, but apparently the jumping section platform is closed currently, so we're just going to have to go down and swim instead. So that's what it is. And Keisha and Khalil have not wasted any time to get down there, and Eliona is on her way too. So, wow. It's very beautiful up and close. I'd like to see what's behind that little cove. But the sun is mega hot. Awesome views. Look at them down there. I'm contemplating it. Oh gosh. And somebody's here trying to persuade me to go down. But I'm going to warm up to it in my own time.
Professional swimmer right next to you.
Okay then, we'll see about that. Are you going down, Kamika? You going to climb down, Keisha? Okay then. That's fine. Let's get going. 3, 2, and jump. How was that? I told you, the lifeguard said it's 25 feet. Was that good? Yeah, so come back out and do it again. Do you want to do it from higher up? Huh? Eliona, do you want to do it from up here? Okay then, I'm coming down to record your next attempt. And she did it! Yay! Well done! And now you've gotten over the fear. We can do it again.
Where do you have to go home? That's my job. Get back.
How was it in the end?
It was good.
That's good.
Wow.
Okay, she doesn't want to go, so you go. You did it already, so there's no fear left. If you're jumping, you can't hold on to that.
Huh?
You'll be fine. You'll come up. You're proficient enough.
Why does it need to be that hard?
I have no idea who this person is, but I'm recording these people's experience of the jump.
That's scary.
I guess this is my measure of living vicariously, having the experience through them. I just did the same for a girl who was a little bit scared. And she did it in the end and enjoyed it. So let's see this person. There's one behind us as well. Wow, that was fast.
Over there.
And he's up. And over there. He's over to the rock. Over there. He swam over there. And here she goes, coaching her through the experience. Okay then. She's ready. Woohoo! She did it! Keisha, you did. Well done. What was that like? You want to do it again? I knew you would. Okay, let's come back up. And there they go. Woo! Yeah, you have to give me that. Olympian! And that we say. Uh-huh. I got Go on.
You think? Why you think?
Best parish ever.
Serious?
Big and serious.
I thought it was England you're talking about.
Ah. If you're talking about England, then yeah.
Ready? You're already there. Get on with it.
No, this is by the terminal to go to home.
Yeah, so I live in.
So which of the
close
streets?
enough.
Spring Ground is
Spring Ground that way. So you do know. Yeah, one moment. Oh, nice. Is it cool? That's fine.
25 feet of the park.
other side of Spring Ground.
Okay.
Spring Ground is that we turn off in the steam and that
Yeah.
other field.
So when you're going to the steam and
So the
then
drug center is right
I'm there.
That big drug center.
Yeah.
There, she's on that steam over there.
Okay.
There's so much
That's nice.
evidence.
Where you go to school?
Pardon?
Where you go to school?
I went to school.
Thank you.
Okay. Because you're in the sun too much. We're gonna go now. We're gonna go have lunch. Oh no.
And here is the lovely travelers. Mid-rail.
Goodbye. Hey, you handsome me?
I think that dog is.
Goodbye, Negril. You've served us well today.
That's what the girls do.
Hello, more adventure. Let's see where the adventure takes us. It's so beautiful.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
they had the courage to take the jump from this very popularized spot where people tend to go and do these really high dives. And it was an experience, I tell you, especially for the children, because they had a blast of a time. And they took they laid their fears down. They weren't going to allow it to imprison them from the experience that they could have for themselves. Thank you so much for spending this time with us here on Life with the Jam Fams. I just want to bring to your attention that our analytics have shown that about 80% of you who come back frequently, and we appreciate you for doing so, are not yet subscribed. So that means you're not a part of the Life with the Jam Fam tribe. Come on, join the tribe. Let's click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing it. We value your time that you spend watching our content that we produce and seeing Jamaica from our perspective as we try to showcase that with you. And so we thank you for spending the time with us here again today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. So bye for now, and we'll see you then.